YouTube. What's good YouTube? Eish. Amana madi. So kebiru bana mloti ndine flu maize. So that's why if voice rangu rakati. Plus that's why mazono tsunya kuti bla 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 maize yabozi. Sunzwa zvakanaka maize. Utano wangu unonyaso maize. But yeah. What's good YouTube is over presence to do come back. Eish. What's good YouTube is over presence to do come back to my YouTube channel. I'm saying if it's over there, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Hi. I'm an but yeah. Basically, what's happening today is I want to talk about. It's been a minute since I'm I see a lot of people who complain about praise. I also drop Makua. Praise or Tregerera. Praise open channel yako na makoti separate the channel yako a business. Okay, I got you guys. What's popping is like I can't open two my channels. Yamakua, the channel Yamakoti because it's very hard, man. Could you grow a channel to get 1,000? Could you escape out say Paku so yeah, what I'm gonna do is like I will be mixing both content, blogging, but I'm not into blogging, so I started blogging myself. Was you know, and I go but yeah, today not only I'm part family. Yeah, not tight. Nyati. Because don't you good center, Sanchoka. Those good center. Yeah, the tight Nyazan. Sanyati. Most of the guys are in Panaka people change. I've witnessed that Pananyati. Chinizo Sondasona Pananyati. Nyati family is very they easily forget. You understand? I think characters guys don't mind my face and okay sometimes. Nango budon go buy one ruba kuno traga chingwa. Do you still remember Nyati wako series hapa ningiri mana? Pa Facebook mana. As you can see guys, this and that, blah 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 blah. And at first they were doing real authentic content. They were tambira. What is that? They were not yet monetized in Facebook. But Nyati people wakango test my Facebook. Wakango on my Facebook. No, like I say, avoid that dambudziko chachiro munzo. Avoid that problem chacho. Now they're giving us useless content. Wakumboposta vachikisana. Wakumboposta vachiita zvimaskiri zvekupenga. Wakumboposta vachitenga vanhu vakadzungaira. Like, we didn't love Vananyata Shita content. And we all know with all content creators, they copy each other. They get like motivation from someone. They get inspiration from someone. But inspiration is not from someone. You guys have inspiration from Munhoga Makana. Shikuzikana on the Nikese with Nyati. In touch, they don't see each other. But at the end of the day, Nyati now is going to go up on a tight content. What is that? It's not making sense. You understand? Because at characters chakaita kuti vanhu vade Nyati family more than Vanatight. It was because Vananyati they were serving people real authentic content, understand? And when they were like comparing that content yatight ne content Nyati is better because Vananyati are shami, Vananyati are Vananyati. But now I'm surprised with the Vananyati vachona vakadirwa real authentic content vachona vakukopera sei content yana tight, you understand? Then zvakuita zvese zvudzinga makeke zvineka chakatotenga. You're gonna see that car soon. Trust me. Soon that car. So chakunesa manje mafanzi ananyati akuboyikana futhi kuti iwe takatiza tight because they were making this type of shit. You want to call in your copyright for like what's that? Fans are not liking that at all, you understand? When I never go test out chiro video chakadaiso chinobhadharwa content yatochinja. Content yavo yakubohwa, content yavo yakunyasira, vakuita zvinhu zvisina basa. Everything chavari kuita is been influenced by Tight. When Tight they went to tenga iPhone. Vananyati vakanotenga iPhone. Vanatight vakatenga zvimagauni zvazvo. Vananyati vakanotenga zvimagauni. Vanatight they were going out with this and that. Vananyati they are doing the same. They are trying by all means to be like Tight. In instance, I don't blame Tight by dancing. Say Vakadaro, and they are copying us. They are trying by all means to be Tight and Kiki. It's true. They are copying from everything. There's nothing bad about copying. You understand? Copying is nice, but don't copy and paste as it is. You understand? Usakopese zvazvirubva wati ngengonjgo. Chizoka to my effects. When I they copy content from others, they copy content from Nigerians machichichi away from Zimbabwe. And that's good because bring something from Europe unzoku Zimbabwe not to kopa munhu or mukombeshe naye, you understand? It's fucking useless. Voice rangu asunyasoita. But if you want to take out a balance, you understand? But the balance is paying them. Because Taroda Maria post on a Tembo Gorimbo 2000 he posted about 2000 something US dollars. Tembo Gorimbo I go post some videos here and there, causing drama here and there. Which means with Wananjat family they'll be making more than Tembo Gorimbo. No, maybe they understand, you understand? Wananyati Papa Marini, I think they are making over 100,000 rands. Probably they are making 3/4 of, if you want half of unit on a tight probably Carota somebody else with a sofa from social media on Facebook. It's maybe above 10,000 a month. We need to they are making around 5, 6, 7,000. But why is it life is not changing? What's happening to those kids? What is happening now? Those is really nice. Hey, we are not seeing any change. Mumma wokiko varugara kumpumalanga vasikupa ikoko passport achona don't even think kuti vanawo kana zvitupa. I don't even think kuti vanazvo kana nozichi kana hembe. There's nothing which is changing. So mari kuenda kupi echidaro svika pamoro vanozoona ngoma nari kupopota rego but yeah here I am here chilling here yeah. Mari iri kuendeswa kupi vananyati mari vari kuisa kupi because they are working every day. They are posting every day. They are causing a lot of drama, nonsense every day on social media. But Mari wenda kupi. Look at Anataiti. Yeah, they are drinking shit, but it's paying. Look at now, they went to Dubai. But Dubai about this thing. Because how can they spend a lot of money when, of course, it's their money. We can't tell one. It is this and that. But sometimes you have to think. Many pressure in life. When I'm a the weight car. That's why they go to Dubai. But sometimes maybe they go in my business deals. I'm keep on seeing my Zimka. And I'm going to tell you. But I'm going to they're showing money. Not spending. And I tell you, they're spending all the year for social media. You understand? It's better to invest in car. We take our motor, we have motor for my InDrive, we have motor for Uber. And then Facebook jam catching viral at least there's something to make them survive in future. You understand? They are using, maybe it's not all they have. Maybe they are using change to go to Dubai. What? I mean, who knows? Who am I to judge? But yeah, do yeah, I just good saying that. Yes, we are tight to Dubai and what? And even men they are not saying that they went for holiday. They are saying we have moved out from South Africa we are living in South Africa for good. You understand? And mind you, they want you live in South Africa for good. Say because apparently my allegations are I'm not sure about it. Vanhu vari kuzitaura ndivo vangatotiudza zvimwe zvanzi kuDubai akuendi kune munhu ane anzi ina hangu andikakona anzi unozonzwa kunoita full time unogara kuDubai sei iwewe une HIV. Ini hangu handiziziye about that and handina information about that but zvinhu zviri kutaurwa nevanhu vari kuzvitaura vanhu vari kuzvikudza izvozvo. Ini hangu I can't say anything about it. I can't add anything or remove anything there. You understand? I can't exaggerate or astonish anything there. You understand? Those two are you can't go and say that the UK they deport you what. But now I want information about that now. And yeah, let's hear from them. But yeah, it's drama. So BMW Wasiran. BMW are break and what Wasiran. They can't just go to Dubai and leave BMW just like that. Them they don't go Bima gonna kick. So never. That's my question. In furniture and what was I think as was Iran? Maybe what I take yes. I mean, and the other thing is like, they are running away from Nyamo Boys Minutes. Anyone cannot consider my drama because Nyamo Boys Minutes go pay Kadari. 2 million. Yakazopera sei in court here. Vana vari zvekuita nangwa vari kusiyana mana kamota kenda kaona futi karapa. Vana vari kusiyana guys. Vachita basa rekuti zamuzoona wewe. Because nyaya yakazongonyarwa yakadaro nyaya yazongopera kadaro zvikunoti is he paying that 2 million in silence. Ari kubharira mari yakanyara. Zviri kufamba sei? I don't know if kana pane ane information kana pane akuziya nezvenyaya. Can you please give us further details, or can you please give us nyaya chaizvese zvairi nyasiripo explanation yakazofamba sei nyaya yakazongopera just like that and all. I feel like tiri kuitiswa nevanhu ava. What do you think? Because there's no ways kuti nyaya yakablowa internet, nyaya yakatenda internet yese yozongomuka yakanyorwa just like that. On top munhu ari kunzi anofanira kubudisa mari ozoenda kudubai achinospendenge mari. Yakasiri game yekudriwa attention yavanhu kuinternet ine, because more boys vachinofanira kuda zvekusenda futi taita vachinoda kuda zvekusenda futi, they master this game of sending. And I feel like those people vaichitisa, like, I mean, maonero angu, but yeah, tell us what you think down in the comment section. Kuti zviri worth it here kuenda kudubai zvorevana taiti harisi dzungu here, hakusi kuvhunduka mari here. And Kiki zikunzi, is she taking care of the kid wakasiya kuZimbabwe? Inyaya dziri ngovhunzwa nevanhu, inyaya dziri ngovaro inangu ndingoro mutumwa. But yeah, ndo nyaya iri panapa. And was it necessary for Nanyati family to go and buy boxed phone, iPhone 15 Pro Max? Don't understand. Don't go from Tsoka from 0 to hero. Go like they have much to do. They have to renovate Maria. No, Imba. They have to move out. They have to buy clothes. They have to change their life face. They have to build kufarm. So that's it. Vananyati vainyepo vakavakirwa imba kufarm unozvichikumusha. Havana imba vakavakirwa. And the problem, they just wanted to give us pressure. What? Anyway, I don't know how far true is it. But they have to change their life first. You understand? Voita zvinhu zvine musoro muupenyu hwavo, then vozoita zvokutenga iPhone 15. You can just buy even an iPhone X second hand. You budget money, you invest money. Ingatengonakirwa necontent yavaitora nechipo chavo chakudharira. Taiona izvo zvakadaro. And when they're saying they went to buy iPhone achona kumakula, inogona kunge iPhone. I don't know zvingozvaurwa nevanhu, but I hate no one. I don't hate Tite, I don't hate Nyat. They say they are just content creators, but they need to think. What they need to do is they need to think. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. So boy, please, I'm do them. Signing out. Now I am at more, and yeah, just looking weird holding my phone here. And I said everyone is just looking at me like I'm working. YouTube is paying. YouTube is work. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. For more sorry, bro. For more understand. Because yeah, I'll keep on giving you updates. Stay tuned. Bam.